we want to write a program that generates all pairs of I and J's, where I and J's are between 0 to 3 both inclusive, and I and J's are not equal. So these are I's, these are J's. You can see the first one is 0 and 0 because 0 and 0 are equal. We don't print them. Then 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. 1, 0, 1, 1 is not printed because this is where I and J are both 1 and we don't want to print it there. We can easily solve this example using a nested loop. Each loop counts from basically 0 to 3, 3 inclusive. And then we just use an if statement to print I and J if I and J are not equal. So again, there is no reading from users required in this example. We just need to generate I and J's automatically and print them if they meet that basically condition. For I in range, we want to generate numbers 0 to 3, so we need to supply 4 for our range. Or we can just 0 and 4, but if you don't supply this 0, automatically by default range generates from 0 to 4 excluding 4. That means I will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Same for J. And we just check if I and J are not the same. If they are not, then we can print. Print I colon and J. And that's the program.